So currently we're working on the new machine. This is on that 4K display there. This is just a quick update on the system. We basically have been using the laptop to do like kind of logistical stuff, so like posting to our patrons. Definitely consider supporting us on Patreon if you're passionate about our videos, because we've started now releasing kind of thumbnails for videos early. We're trying to do more collaborative stuff with patrons. So yeah, support us if you're interested in that type of stuff, but we are using this for like our Discord server and Patreon posts and YouTube uploading, and then this we're using for all of our editing, etc. And this machine is just really awesome. Like, we can scrub the timeline in full 4K and everything, and it's just super smooth. If we just play something on there, on that timeline, like animations and everything, it just plays perfectly smooth, even on the timeline. So it's absolutely lovely. The machine itself has been working absolutely great. I still have the plastic wrap on the side because I guess, I don't know, I don't want to get the glass scratched up, but the machine looks awesome. And I have the RGB all red on the inside along with those red cable mod cables. So I think the inside of the machine looks pretty awesome. I know the animations are a bit obnoxious, but it's just what we kind of decided to go with. It's facing away right now, so it's not like it really matters too much. But yeah, that's how we've got everything set up, and that's how things have been going. So yeah, this is kind of, I think, mostly the final update to this series regarding the desktop. But yeah, this is kind of how we have it set up now. I don't think this will be the permanent way we have things set up, because currently it's really just aimed around one person editing. So when we get both Ellen and I editing, we'll probably reconfigure things a bit, probably move this monitor, etc. You know, just orient it towards one person. But for now, that's how we're gonna have things set up. And yeah, thanks for tuning into this update, and have a good day, guys.